Hi, this is Randy with ReportMASTER software. Now, the purpose of ReportMASTER software is for you to be able to do notes and reports that are very compliant, that are very professional and complete, and that are written very well, quickly, without any effort or trouble. Now, the way you use the system is really up to you. You can use a regular computer, you can use a laptop. If you want to go high-tech, you can have a tablet computer that you walk around with and are paperless with. That works very well. On the other hand, if you want to go low-tech, you can check off a simple form, and if you want, even hand it off to an assistant and let an assistant input it if you need a typed-up note or report. Okay, so it's totally up to you. But right now, I'm actually on a tablet computer. So I have a little stylus in my hand. It's like a pen-like instrument, and I can actually touch it on the screen instead of using a mouse. And I'm on a device that I can walk around with and be wirelessly connected to my main computer system. So here we go. I'm going to jump in and do something with it. I'm going to hit Add New or Edit Existing Charts. Here we have a patient. I'm going to click on a particular date, a visit for her. And let's take a look over here. Here we have case type. This was a slip and fall. But you know what? Let's put something else in here. Let's say she came in due to a sprain while dancing. Now, actually, I'm looking at the wording here, and it came out just right. So I'm going to hit Insert right here, and now you'll see it's in that spot. Now, watch, when I click somewhere else, it's going to say, would you like to add this entry to the list? If I hit Yes on it, now this is part of my drop-down, okay? So the whole idea with ReportMASTER, you have checkoffs, but you also have drop-downs and other features that allow you to add anything you want so that next time you don't have to write this. So whatever comes up a lot, you just have it in the system, all right? Now, another thing we're going to do here for opening remarks, let's say you want to send this to her medical doctor to really inform the medical doctor, teach them a few things, and make yourself look really good. So I'm going to hit this Auto Codes button for opening remarks, and let's just go down to, here we have one, ORMD New. This is going to say, I'm sending this report to you as a professional courtesy because, and this is going to put in the patient's title and last name. So Ms. Winslet is a patient of yours, and I wanted to give you the opportunity to call if you have any questions. So I'm going to hit Insert Code on that. So that popped that in right there. And now I'm just going to hit this drop-down button and go down to the assessment screen. And over here, look on the right side here. It shows here the patient is progressing as expected. Let's say she's progressing slower, and what's she being limited by? Again, I'm going to add something to this because this is a brand new system. I've hardly used it, so I don't really have much in there now. Let's say she's being limited by work activities. I think I got that right. It came out right. I'm going to hit Insert Code. And you know what? I forgot to put a period there. So I'm going to click on that word. And it says activities. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to highlight it, and I'm going to put activities with a period. All right? So now I hit Insert Code, pops it in there, and we're done with it. Now, the whole idea, once you get used to it, you don't make little mistakes like I just made, so you don't have to redo them. But now, just like before, it's going to say, would you like to add this entry to the list? If I hit yes, now this is part of my, again, it's part of my drop-down. Non-compliance, diabetes, work activities. And one thing about this little section here, you'll notice it puts in a little bit of text right here automatically. That's just so the system knows to skip 2 spaces before it types the next thing. Okay, so if you ever see curly braces like that, it's just an internal thing with ReportMASTER. All right, and that's really it. So let's see what this one comes out like. So here we have Ms. Winslet came to our office for treatment due to a sprain while dancing. You'll see how that came out in the note. And this is just a full, complete note. This is the kind of note that would totally cover you when you needed to be covered. Also, oh yeah, we had, this one was going to her medical doctor. Here it is. I'm sending this report to you as a professional courtesy because Ms. Winslet is a patient of yours, and I wanted to give you the opportunity to call if you have any questions. And as I scroll down a little bit here, let's see, where was here we go. Ms. Winslet is progressing slower than expected. Her progress is being limited by work activity. So the whole idea, this is just a good, complete note that covers it start to finish. Here we have it signed off by the doctor. And, the purpose of this system is for you to be really covered documentation-wise. And this does it. Many of the top experts across the country use it. And it's a fraction of the cost of all the other systems. And it does a better job. It writes better. It performs better. and we even have free unlimited technical support and training lifetime. So give us a call. Let us tell you about it. We can do a live demo and show it to you, and I think we could help you out a lot with it. Our number is 877-742-9215. That's 877-742-9215, and we look forward to working with you. And thanks for watching.